this set, you guys.
What?
Manufacturer versus wholesaler. What is the difference? You need to know so you don't lose out on thousands of dollars. Hey, I'm Alison J. Prince, and I'm sitting on my Laffy Taffy containers because it's kind of noisy. And I've been shipping products online for almost a decade. And one of the things that I always do with my orders is I include a Laffy Taffy. So we go through Laffy Taffies by the truckload. I'm not kidding. But I want to show you the difference between manufacturer and wholesale to save you truckloads of money. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social media stuff, because this is one video you are not going to want to miss.
The best day of all is gonna be, it's gonna be, it's gonna be the best day of all. It's gonna be the best day of all.
All right, before we get started, I want to share this screenshot with you. I don't know if you can see it. If you can't, I'll post it up here. But this is from Rebecca. She says, "You guys, I just blew past my sales goal for the month with 11 days left. I'm busting my rear to make this work. I can't wait until I can implement more of what I'm learning here. Imagine the possibilities." $5.4 thousand. You guys, making money online is real, is possible, and I'm excited to show you and share with you how I've been doing it and how I've been teaching others how to do it as well. So let's dive into the topic, manufacturer versus wholesaler. It took me about a year and a half to figure out the difference, and so I want to help you skip to that information quickly so you don't have to make the mistakes that I made when I first got started. Okay, so let's talk about wholesalers to start out with. Wholesalers, when you start your business, you're gonna need products, right, to sell online. And when you go to a wholesaler, you're gonna find a completely different experience than when you go to a manufacturer. So what I've done is I've made something very, very easy for you to look and compare both things at. There is a link to a printable down below for you to get so you can compare the side by side so you know if you're working with a manufacturer or with a wholesaler. Okay. I'm gonna pull the list up real quick so I can read them to you. Wholesaler, they ship quickly to you. They've already got the products made. They're also known as a middleman. So they work with the manufacturers and they're the middleman that will sell you the product. And with them being the middleman, you're usually going to be paying higher prices. So know that when you're working with middlemen, they need their cut too, right? So you're gonna have to be okay with them taking a little piece of the pie. Number two, they can't customize. If you want something in pink and they only offer red, you can only sell red. You buy what they already have. The next thing, they're more of a commodity. A lot of people can get that same product because they're making it for, it's usually business to business, and they'll sell to other businesses. So you can't have unique products or something with your branding on them. You buy what they sell you, which leads to more competition, right? Like Laffy Taffy. If I was selling Laffy Taffy, Sam's Club sells Laffy Taffy. Costco used to sell Laffy Taffy. I don't think they do anymore. Walmart, but I guess that's kind of Sam's Club. You get what I mean, right? Everybody can go and buy the stuff and resell it. So there's more competition. Here's another big indication. You can buy from them online. They've got a nice shopping cart. You can go to their website. It's pretty. You can see all their products displayed. You put them into your cart and they ship them to you. And it's usually within 2 to 3 days. Okay, now let's take the contrast of manufacturers. Manufacturers' websites are usually a big, hot mess. And there's a reason for that. They make your products from like scratch, right? If you want pink, you can get pink. If you want it 2 inches bigger, 2 inches smaller, want your brand on there, that's what they do. And so when you go to their site, they don't want to display all the products that they sell because other people will steal their ideas in the first place, or you don't want your product shown to everybody, or they're burning through so many different products that they don't have time to list it on their site. And so what you're gonna get is you're usually gonna get something that's kind of like a weird, awkward, almost like a ghost site with a couple of examples of what they do. so that you know that you're in the right manufacturer. So if I'm looking for metal trays, I want to make sure that the manufacturer that I'm working with works with metal. I mean, if they were working with fabric, I would be using the wrong manufacturer. I want to know that the manufacturer that I'm working with has used this material before, because more than likely they've already got the cheapest priced out there to help me get a better cost on my product. Another thing, they don't have shopping carts. You can't buy from them. What happens is you start the conversation, you say, this is what I would like, and then you ask for a sample. And once you approve the sample, then you're usually paying them through PayPal or a wire transfer, and that's how it works. They don't have shopping carts, online shopping carts. Another thing with manufacturers is it's going to take time for them to make it and ship it. And if you're manufacturing things out of the country, then usually you're gonna have about a 6-week time wait for them to make your product. And then if you're shipping it by boat, that can add another 6 weeks. If you're shipping it by air, usually it's about a week to 2, so you can save some time there, but you're going to be paying a lot more money. So if you're looking at making your own product with your own brand, your own personality, your own colors, your own specs, your own everything, then go with a manufacturer. If you're looking for more of what do you got, what can I buy from you, go with the wholesaler. And once you know the difference between the two and the pros and cons, then it's going to help you make your decisions a lot easier. And one thing that I left out with a manufacturer is your margins can be a lot higher because you're working with the manufacturer, the one who actually makes the products. I've worked with manufacturers for almost a decade now. I like working with manufacturers, and I still work with the middlemen or the wholesaler. It just depends what I'm looking for. How fast do I need it? How fast can I get it to turn around? And do I want this to stay in my business forever? Usually when I go out and I start testing my products, I'll start with wholesalers because I don't want to invest into thousands of dollars over manufacturing it. And so I'll try and find something similar here with a wholesaler, test it, see if it works. If it does, then I will go make what I really wanted over in China and get exactly what I was looking for. Okay, you guys, like, share, subscribe, all that social media stuff. Don't forget there is a free PDF just for you down below. And I think I just said this, but I'm gonna say it again. Like, share, subscribe, all that social media stuff, because that helps me know that you like this content so that you can grow your business and put money in your pocket where it belongs because you worked so hard to get it. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.